let's plant some herbs. These are the herbs that I'm gonna be growing. So here I have thyme. This is English thyme, and this is another kind of thyme. This is German thyme. I have some mint, I have some parsley, and then rosemary. I also have basil seeds that I'm gonna throw in the garden. This year I just decided to buy seedlings instead of worrying about starting all of these from seeds. Usually it's a lot of work and I don't need that much herbs. Something exciting is happening with the onions. Let me show you something. Look, do you see that? The onions are starting to bulb. As soon as the daylight savings thing kicks in, it's usually a signal for the onions to start bulbing. This is so exciting. So exciting. Look. Let's check on the carrots. Let's check on the carrots. Actually, I already cheated because I already know that the carrots are almost ready for harvesting. Okay, let's look at this big one right here and pull it out. Ta-da! Today, I will be moving the fluted pumpkin from the portable greenhouse to their final growing space, which is right here along the fence. They're gonna stay in the containers. I have tried to build this cucumber trellis. I need to figure out a way to anchor this down. So the idea is it's gonna grow over this fence and probably find that tree. So let's move the plants. Okay, we've moved the containers to their final growing place right here. That's what we're looking at. I have 4 good ones, and then this one right here is the one that was damaged by roly-polies. But I might be lucky. Look, we have like fresh leaves forming, so I'm gonna keep an eye on that. But otherwise, I think it's looking good so far. Ooh, this one, oh my gosh, ants, aphids. Oh god, this is not good. This has been attacked by aphids. I need to spray it with something, either the insecticidal soap or neem oil, but I'll clean that one up. Let's see. Let me just inspect the rest of the leaves. That one is fine. Yeah. Okay, they're all okay. Hopefully that takes care of the issue. Okay. Yeah, I think they all, I've washed all of it down. Hopefully it should help.